Good morning, wonderful followers of the My Snowboard Journey. It is I, Mr. Thompson. And we're here because we're on the way to work in this wonderful device known as a gondola.
How's life been? Because we haven't had you for ages.
Yeah, pretty good. Just been cashing checks and snapping necks. You know how it is.
You can take the man out of the army. The army out of the man.
Oh dear.
And you passed your carving course?
I did, yeah.
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 Now certified carving instructor?
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
No, a certified badass, yeah.
Yeah.
I slightly up my foot, but it was worth it.
That's alright, that's another beep line I have to put in as well, that, right?
Yeah, sorry.
That's okay. No, you have to apologise, just beep it out, it's fine.
Yeah, it's like it's done something to my foot, but it's all good. I'm sure it shall be good in a few days' time.
Have you rode your new board yet?
I rode it on the carving course, yeah.
Have you rode it since the carving course?
No, because it's not my teaching board because somebody will wreck it.
And are you leaving it posy?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Drooling at the mouth.
Well, it's not. It's like 21-0.
Have you thought maybe we might maybe deep heat's what we need for you?
Yeah, maybe.
Something like that.
I wonder if I just like deep heat it tonight and just.
I reckon that's a
Or
good
you could
idea.
go to Stonebridge for a therapeutic massage of your foot.
I don't like massages. They scare me.
Hashtag sponsor me and give me free massages, because I'm promoting them right now.
I must admit,
No,
I
it was
was
a big white-
Massages scare me.
Yeah, I'm not a massage fan.
No, I don't like other people touching my body unless we're intimate with each other.
Oh, wow.
The thing that gets me is everybody who says, "Oh, you go for a good massage and you feel great afterwards."
You
I
come
always
out and you
like
feel like you've been in a fucking street fight,
Yeah.
don't you? Sorry, Ken.
it's like
Yeah.
being in a scrap. Like
It is,
everything
yeah.
aches, everything hurts.
You walk out there and you're like, oh,
And people are like, "Oh yeah, I love that feeling." I'm like, "Why?"
why? The feeling of just being dead.
Who's hurt you?
I went one for a foot one once when I pulled all the ligaments in my foot, and the guy basically said, he goes, my hands aren't strong enough, so what I've got, and it basically was like a Captain Hook metal device.
Yeah.
It's a brick.
It's a scraper. I'm going to scrape, a bit like the scraper you use on your board. He goes, I'm going to scrape you from your ankle the whole way to your toe. I went, oh, okay, starts off. I'm like, yeah, it's not too bad. So how many have you do? He goes, about 50 times. I was like, no, I'm good, actually.
Yeah, I just don't
And
understand it.
I just don't like people touching me either. It makes me feel weird.
I can kind of get around the relaxing ones. You know where like they're not smashing elbows into the back of you and stuff. They're not trying to. Yeah.
I think in Turkey, then they beat you with a bush.
That's I've seen that.
Yeah,
like,
yeah, they
Just
do.
go outside, get a tree, and just whack
Yeah,
you with
they
it.
basically attack you with a stick. Yeah.
Oh. What a wonderful chairlift challenge, all the rest of your days.
Yeah, do you want to refilm it?
Huh?
Do you want to refilm
Nah,
it?
just chop it, innit?
Okay.
We got Tommo on
Take-
the lift.
Take 2.
Okay.